Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at Google Screencast for ChromeOS. Eric Kurtz does an awesome job explaining everything with a great tutorial and great tips and tricks. A couple things to point out. One, you could always record directly from here and select screen capture. When you do that, you can see me. Hello everybody. You can also do a screenshot here as well with your options. Now, what I'm going to do though is we're going to close out of this and we're going to come down to the launcher and then we're going to scroll down. Again, this is a real fast one here. We're going to scroll, we're going to select Screencast. You have some options right up in here that will take you through transcript tools, so on and so forth. But when you're ready, you want to do a new screencast. And again, you and your students can do this. You can see I'm right up in here. If you want to change any of the settings, you can simply go ahead and turn the camera off. I'm going to leave it on for right now. Microphone I'm going to leave on, and I'm just going to click right in here to record full screen. Give it just a little bit, and there'll be a nice little 3-second countdown. Okay, so now it's recording. If you want yourself to be a little bit larger, you can do that as well as move it around. Of course, you can move it with your finger as well. If you'd like, something really cool, if you want to point out, is the ability to have a marker. So if you'd like to do that, I'm just going to select here. Let's just keep this blue. If you want to use your finger, you can go ahead, underline, circle, whatever it is you'd like. When you like to take it off, just simply take it off. And when you're done your recording, simply select stop. Okay, so now it's stopped. It's going to take a little bit of time for it to come up. If you'd like to rename it, simply select here. This is one I did before. And I'm just going to name this, let's call it sample. And we're going to select continue. Okay, so we're now going to go ahead and select it. You're going to see on the right-hand side, a transcript takes you through what was said before. You can always come up in here and edit the text as well if you'd like to do that. When you're ready to share, you can go ahead and select share with others, keep it private, however it is you would like. It is up to you. When you're ready to share, go ahead in and share. Also, you can go ahead in here and press play and watch it. Again, for more tutorials, make sure to take a look at Eric Kurtz's blog post. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.